But this is itty bitty. This is itty bitty. They could have at least gave me like half the tube, okay? This is just like a pinch of eyeliner. So, okay. Hi, you guys. Welcome back. So, I got my Ipsy bag in the mail today. Went out to the mailbox and it was nicely tucked in there. So, I got that today and I'm going to go ahead and open that up and see what we have in this Ipsy bag. So, let's go ahead and see what's in here. Okay. So, I see I have some masks because those came out, but I'll come back to those in just a second. Sorry about the glare. Y'all know I gotta have my glasses close by. So this is the card for this month for March. It says create. And this is what the bag looks like. It's a really nice, cute, artsy type bag. Has a bunch of different women on here. It looks like something that, you can color in or whatever, but it's kind of cute. It's a nice, thick canvas feel to it. So it's a nice, cute bag. But anyways, this is the card for this month. It says create. And it says on here, this month, turn yourself and your world into a work of art. Okay. So I guess that's the theme for this month, kind of artsy theme. So let's go ahead and take a look at these masks since these came out of the pack first. And it says Good Night PM mask. And it has Meg. I guess maybe that's the name of the mask. But it says on here, this is to nourish and moisturize. And and I got 2 of these. So for this, it says, PM mask, skin feeling stressed from a long day. Say goodbye to rough and dry skin. End your night with a rejuvenating PM mask to nourish and revitalize your skin overnight. Okay. Oh, well, that's nice. Okay. Specifically an evening mask after you've had a long day. So that's not too bad. I got 2 of these in here, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so let's move on and see what else is in here. Okay, so, oh, these are markers. Okay, so I got some markers, a blue and green set of markers to color in my bag. And you know what? I'm a kid at heart. Let me go ahead and test these puppies out. Let's test out this blue. I like blue, so I'm gonna go ahead and test this out and see if I can color in on this bag. Now, as you get older and your vision goes, it's even harder to stay in the line. But, hey. I'm always down to have some fun. Whoop. I'm all over the place, you guys, all over the place. But yes, it works. As you can see, very cute. So, you can color in your nice little bag this month. Very cute. Okay, so next up, let's see here. Oh, I got a brush. This is a very pretty brush. Very pretty brush. I don't use fan brushes on my face. I don't use highlighter. For highlighter, I use, like a very small, like rounded brush. So this, I'm actually going to just give away. My daughter might like it or something, but it's a very pretty brush. It has kind of that unicorn feel to it with the pink and turquoise gradient look. So it's actually a very nice brush, but I know I'm not going to use it. So I'm going to be giving that away. Very nice. Okay, next. Okay, so it looks like this might be an eyeshadow. What is this? It says INT Cosmetics. This is what it looks like, the packaging. And I see on here they're cruelty free, and it says Goddess Glow eyeshadow. Okay, so let me open this up. Ooh, this is actually quite pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay, so this is what the eyeshadow looks like. It looks like a really, really pretty kind of gold bronzy type shade. So let me go ahead and swatch this. Feels nice. Okay, so it's pretty. It's not a bad shade, actually. Very nice lid color. So I'm not mad at it. Okay, next I have what looks like a very small eye pencil. So this says Sex Kitten from Tarte. Okay, so it looks like a eyeliner from Tarte called Sex Kitten. So, okay. It's so cute. Look how cute that is, you guys. Look how cute. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Okay. This is the amount of product you get in this eyeliner. Okay. Now I know these are samples, but this is itty bitty. This is itty bitty. They could have at least gave me like half the tube, okay? This is just like a pinch of eyeliner. So, okay. I don't know if I'm gonna swatch this. Shoot, I might run out if I swatch it. Okay, you know what? Somebody should be hitting the dislike button right about now. You know, people don't like it when you complain or when you speak your mind. So let's go ahead and swatch this right quick. Okay. So it's very, very black, nicely pigmented, nice and smooth and soft. So it's a very nice eyeliner. I'm going to save this because I know I'm only going to get one use out of it. So that is that Tarte eyeliner. And I have one more item in here, one last item. And this says Glossier. So this is what that looks like. And I'm assuming this might be some type of lip gloss. Mintbalm.com. Okay, I have lipstick on, so I'm not going to try this on. But yeah, let me go ahead and see if I can just swatch it. Okay, so yeah, it's just a regular lip balm. It's like, kind of feels like Vaseline. You know, it has the feeling of a thick Vaseline. And it smells like mint. It smells just like mint. Makes me think of mint chocolate chip ice cream. But that is that. So, very short, sweet, and simple, you guys. I got a lip balm. I got a eyeshadow. I got a fan brush. I got a baby eyeliner from Tarte, and I got 2 nighttime face masks. So, you know, it's all good. I can use everything in here except for this fan brush. I'm not going to use that, but I really like these nighttime face masks. So that is it for my Ipsy bag today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Doodles!